All right, so we're still looking at integration using use substitution. We have our second example here. Let me zoom in closer. We have to integrate x squared e to the power x to the power 3. Right, so we're going to use the rules which I taught you earlier of integration, all right, using use substitution. So in a question like this, since we can see we have e here, we know that use substitution is going to be involved, right? Every time you see e in a problem, just know use substitution is going to be involved. Even sine, cosine, same thing. So in this case here, go through the steps again. Step 1, we need to determine u, right? As I told you, u is always the exponent of e. Okay, so in this case, with that knowledge that u is always the exponent of e, we say u equals x cubed, x to the power 3. Step 2, we need to derive u. So if we derive u, we say du equals 3x squared. After you derive, always put in dx. All right. Then step 3, you need to make dx the subject of the formula. So in this case, to make dx the subject of the formula, we divide both sides by 3x squared. So dx equals du over 3x squared. So we can transform our question here. We're going to have x squared e to the power u. We'll replace dx with du over 3x squared. Right, our x squared cancel each other, x squared, x squared. So we have e to the power u du over 3. So as I said, we need du to be by itself. So this 3 in the denominator, we take it out of the integral. So we're going to have 1 over 3 here. All right, then we have e to the power u du. And we can integrate e. As you remember, the integral of e is e u plus c. All right, let's not forget this 1 over 3. So we have 1 eu over 3. Okay, then finally, what we need to do, we need to substitute u with x cubed. So we're going to have e to the power x cubed over 3 plus c. And that is our answer.